Welcome to Singing with Ron!
So, there are three basic ideas about singing that I want you to constantly have in mind. One is that the sound or the vibrations of sound, you're always going to feel vibrating on the front of your face, your nose, your lips, and your forehead. Bringing the sound forward. When you do this, this helps to make the second idea happen, which is that you don't want to have tightness or sensation in your throat. You want to feel like it's nice and open and relaxed. And then the third big general idea is that support for singing comes from below your belly button. So basically a belt buckle. So you want to feel like the singing is coming from there. So it's like a little bit of a squeeze. So just to recap, squeezing from below your belly button, this helps you to create support, that the throat is going to be effortless, that you're not feeling, in a sense, a scratch, tickle, cough while you're singing and things are getting tight, but that your voice feels open and relaxed in your throat, and that you're getting the sound forward in the front of your face, feeling those vibrations on your lips, in your nose, and kind of like behind your eyeballs and up in your forehead. Great.